Today I am going to show you how to make a Pong game in Scratch. Scratch is a fun website to program and do lots of things. In Scratch, you can use codes to create games like a Pong game, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So this is Scratch. I'm going to type it up. Oh, yay, Scratch. So this is the place where you code, and these are the code blocks, so you can drag them into here, and it will be on a stage all over here. So let's get started. So first, you choose a backdrop. For example, because it's a Pong game, I'm going to choose a neon channel and a sprite. A ball. Okay, first, when you program the ball, you have to go to events, when flag click. So when you click that, it happens. Point in direction 45. Motion. You have to go. Oh, no. Point towards mouse. Point in, it's not that. Point in direction 45. 45? Yeah, 45 is enough. Okay, you drag that into a forever loop. No. Oh, yeah. Control forever. And then you do move 15 steps and if on edge bounce. And you can change it to 15, and then you have to do was if on edge bounce. Oop. If on edge bounce. Now let's see how it is. Wow, we've got a game going. Now let's choose another sprite. Okay, paddle. Let's type paddle in here. Paddle. So you put the paddle all the way beneath here. Ooh, maybe it won't work. Yep. Then we put the ball here, and then for the paddle, drag out. So make sure it goes into a paddle, not in the ball. So drag out a forever loop and set X to mouse X and set X. Oh. Set X to minus 53. We don't want that, so let's go to sensing and mouse X and stuff that. Now let's try. Oh, maybe it won't come. Okay, so you get, not sound when flag clicked. Oh, we've got a game going. Oh, yeah, it bounced. Oh, yeah. The aim of the game is try to get the paddle on the ball which is moving randomly. You have to get it on the ball and you have to move it side to side like this. Ooh, yep. One bounce, two bounce. Ooh. And this game can go on forever. Whoa, we've got a game going. Hope you like my Pong game. And remember to try it at home. And remember to like, share and subscribe. And subscribe quickly. Bye.